Wow. Look out, look out, look out! Be careful. Now he's gonna park right there. That's wonderful. You can't park at the crosswalk. Watch out. Nice parking job. Oh, 45-degree angle. Perfect. Wonderful parking. Excellent parking job. And a crosswalk too. It's going to pick up an order. I'm telling you. This is why you give the rest of us a bad name. Excellent. Yep, just leave it there. Leave the keys in the ignition. It's okay. People wander around just aimlessly, not even paying attention to what they're doing. What's this cool trick? I could fold my handlebars. I could squeeze between two big SUVs carefully, just like that. Whoa, see? Here come the cops. Right on cue. Right on time. Yes, we misspelled convenience on the side. I guess they didn't eat outside, so. Tim? Yeah. There you go. Have a good night. You know, don't you love when they just walk off and they don't say thank you? Whatever. No, a simple thank you. Just appreciation, and a little bit of appreciation. The BMW. You see? See how close he is? It's a good thing he didn't pass me that close. It's brilliant. You can't wait behind the truck. He's got to go around on the wrong side. You're lucky it wasn't a car coming. You can't stay on that side, could you? You know how much this aggravates me. They just dump it right here, like the animals that they are. They can't just go like that, so it's out of the way. Well, it's not my responsibility. I'm just gonna leave it in the middle of the sidewalk. I don't care about anybody but myself. That's how people are, selfish fools. Look at the hot zone just disappears. You know, they want you to believe it's not busy. So they make the hot zones disappear. That's the new thing. So here's a trick. If you X out of it, there's no hot zones. No hot zones, right? So X out of it, and then you start it up again. And magically the hot zones reappear. You can't park there. I swear to God, she's holding her phone up to her face, talking, not paying attention to anything else. Crosswalks, how do they work? That's the problem with these massive trucks. I can fit there easily. Yeah. But he stops in the middle of the road. It's a two-way street. See, like that RAV4 that's coming up now. You know, oh, there's a car coming. Better move over. Should have been in the first place. Genius. Zero situational awareness. Come on, go around me. And they always stay on that side of the street. They can never move over back to their side of the road. On the phone, of course. Now you got to pay attention to what's going on around you. You have the right of way. Keep going. I don't want someone to smash into you coming from behind you. I understand you're being courteous, but you know, they have the right of way, and I have the stop sign. People do not know how to drive. What the f***? Lady, red light. Get back there, quick. Just don't back over me. You get off your phone. You got to get off your phone. You're on your phone. That's the problem. Get off that phone and pay attention to what's going on around you.